Hello everyone. Have a look at this beautiful property overlooking a dam just about 15 kilometers from Dodbalapur and about 15 to 20 kilometers from Nandi Hills. The property has spectacular views. Very rare to find this kind of a location in and around Bangalore. We at Greenland Estates make it easier for people to acquire agricultural properties since these require hectic effort towards legal due diligence. We track the titles of the property since the inception of the property, either a grant or a purchase from the government, say about 40-50 years from the date. We go to an extent of extracting endorsements like PTCL, 79AB, 7AB from various departments, right from DC office to Taluk office. In addition to this, we also conduct a government survey whereby a government surveyor comes and marks the boundaries of the property, and these are signatured by neighboring landlords, thereby eliminating any kind of boundary dispute going forward. So you can assume these properties are like crystal clear in terms of their titles. We track the titles of the property thoroughly by prominent advocates. We also present the file to you with a legal opinion. So you can cross check these files with your advocate, and upon your satisfaction, you can make a purchase. 2 acres is available for sale, and we are quoting 30 lakhs per acre, and this is non-negotiable. So kindly don't call us if you want to negotiate, because these are rare properties to acquire, and this falls under Bangalore Rural District. And going forward, you would enjoy a great appreciation on this property. We buy bigger properties and sell them in smaller parts, thereby bringing all owners together to form an association to either maintain the property or to develop the property together jointly. Recently, Karnataka state government has amended the Karnataka Land Reforms Act, under which they have abolished Section 79AB, thereby permitting any individual to buy agricultural land regardless of their background. Earlier, there was a condition that only farmers could buy agricultural land in Karnataka. Due to this, there is a huge demand in agricultural lands in and around Bangalore. A lot of people who were planning to buy layouts have now started buying agricultural lands, farmlands, to set up their farmhouses. So you have to be very fast in acquiring lands around Bangalore. In couple of years, these prices are going to shoot up, and to an extent where I feel that these lands would be sold in terms of square feet going forward, just about less than 5 years time from now. Coming to this property, the property belongs to general category. Anybody interested, we don't accept advance payments. So upon your satisfaction of legal titles, you can go ahead and purchase this property. We shall assist you in terms of registration. The guidance value shall be about 10 to 12 lakhs. Thereby per acre, the tax registration cost would be about 70 to 75,000. And we shall also assist you in terms of khata transfer, getting you pani, and all other relevant documents which are to be transferred in your name. Post the registration, anybody who wishes to develop this land, we shall assist you in terms of introducing you to the right contractor in terms of borewell, in terms of putting up the fencing or the compound wall, or to develop your farmhouse in terms of landscaping, getting the right plantation done, getting the right landscaping done. So we shall assist you in terms of everything, like A to Z, till the time you are satisfied, and till the time you are well settled in this property. In terms of the security of the place, one need not worry, since there shall be 3 to 4 landlords in the whole extent of the property. You can coordinate among each other to maintain the place. Serious buyers can contact us, and we can take the discussion ahead. Like us, subscribe our channel, share this video so that it could reach the potential buyer. Thank you.